fears over the spread of coronavirus, sparking another drop on Wall Street today. The Dow closing in a moment, down around 400 points today, not as bad as previous days. It is down more than 3,000 points for the week. To put that into perspective, global markets have shed more than $6 trillion in value in just the last 7 days. I want to get it right to CNN's Allison Kozik at the New York Stock Exchange. Allison, obviously a bad day, not as bad as previous days, but do we expect this trend to continue, this downward trend, because the fear about a possible pandemic does not seem to be going anywhere?
You make a very good point there, Jake. It is fear and uncertainty about the coronavirus that's driving this massive sell-off we've seen all week. And right now, the people I'm talking with are telling me the extreme trading action that we've seen all week, it really suggests investors aren't confident that the U.S. government is prepared for an outbreak of the virus in the U.S. Some traders are telling me what could stop the sell-off at this point is some action or positive piece of news. The Federal Reserve Chairman, Jay Powell, he gave a stab at it a little while ago, releasing a statement saying the fundamentals of the U.S. economy are strong, that the coronavirus is a risk to the economic activity of the U.S., and that the Federal Reserve is monitoring developments and how they impact the economy, and that they'll use tools as necessary to support the economy. But interestingly enough, the only reaction I saw from stocks after that was that they went lower at that point. Although this is a Friday and it's unlikely investors really want to hold on to stocks as they go into the weekend, just in case there's more bad news to come over the weekend. Jake?
And Allison, obviously most Americans invest for decades, not for days or weeks or even months. So I assume investors are being cautioned by experts to keep their money where it is right now if they can afford to do so.
Yeah, I would certainly say leave it to the professionals to buy on the dips here and to day trade. You know, when you've got a market that is this volatile, most money managers will tell you, just leave your portfolio alone at this point. So unless you're retiring tomorrow, smart money people will say don't even look at your 401k. And as we head into the weekend, history, to give you some sort of food for thought as we head into the weekend, history has shown that the U.S. markets will bounce back. But the, of course, question is, when will that be and by how much?